Hey, it's Toys. Today we're going to be learning about the letter W. The letter W makes the W sound. Can you make the W sound? Very good. We're going to be learning about the letter W in our kinetic sand. So we're going to try to find surprises in our kinetic sand that start with the letter W that make the W sound. Now the cool thing about it is that some of them don't and some of them do. So we're going to try to find out which surprises start with the letter W. So let's get started. Now before we start, don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell notification so you can be notified when Toys uploads new videos. All right, let's get to it. All right, let's see our first surprise. Let's start searching into our kinetic sand and let's see what we find. Oh, there's something right there. Let's try to grab it. Ooh, what's this? That's right, it's a web. Does web start with the letter W? Good job, it does. Web. Okay, on to our next surprise. Let's see what we have in here. Oh, I found it already. What does that look like? I don't know either. Let's see. Oh. What is this? That's right, a waffle. We eat these for breakfast. Waffle. Does waffle begin with the letter W? Waffle. That's right. Waffle begins with the W sound. So yes, it does. Waffle. All right, let's continue. Oh, let's continue digging. Here it is. Let's try to get in there. Oh, look at that. What's this? That's right, a watering can. We use this to water plants. Does watering can start with the W sound? Yes, it does. Good job. Kiss your brain. Watering can. Okay, let's see if our next surprise starts with a W sound. Let's start digging. Oh, see something here. What's this? Oh, do you know what this is? It's an insect. Does insect begin with a W sound? Insect. No, it doesn't. Insect begins with what letter? That's right, the letter I, the I sound. Insect. Now, before I get into my next surprise, don't forget to smash that thumbs up button for us. All right, let's get to it. Oh, I see something. Ooh, this is big. Can you tell what that is? I think you're right. It's a watermelon. Watermelon. Does watermelon begin with a W? Watermelon. Absolutely, it does. Watermelon. Okay, here's our next surprise. Let's start digging. Ooh. What do we have here? Do you know what this is? Right, it's a necklace. Does necklace begin with a W sound? No, it doesn't. Necklace begins with what letter? Necklace. That's right. Kiss your brain, the letter N. Necklace. Okay, on to our next surprise. Let's see what we have here. And actually, this is our last surprise. Start digging, searching. Whoa. Oh, I see something. What is this little guy? That's right, it's a walrus. Does walrus begin with the letter W? Walrus. Good job. Yes, it does. Walrus. Wait a second. I see something else in here. What is this? We know what this is. What is this? Right, the uppercase W. Oh, and we know where the uppercase W is. There's always a lowercase. So let's see if we find the lowercase. Nothing in here. Oh, there it is. The lowercase W. So we have the uppercase W and the lowercase W. And they both make the W sound. Awesome job. That's it for today, boys and girls. I hope you enjoyed learning about the letter W. And the letter W makes the, you got it, the W sound. So let's look at some things that start with the letter W. We have a waffle, watermelon, web, watering can, and walrus. Let's put this back up. Well, hope you enjoyed our video. If you did, please don't forget to smash that thumbs up button for us. And don't forget to subscribe and click that bell notification so you can be notified when Toys uploads new videos. And we do it every Monday and Thursday just for you guys. All right, that's it for today. Bye.